Here I have MICROMAX Canvas Pace, and let me show you how to enable here Google Backup on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here the apps icon, find and select settings. From the list of settings, we need to choose backup and reset. And here, let's make sure that you've got enabled backup my data right here. And now you need to tap on backup account. So now let's tap add account. And as you can see, the phone is checking info. It's important to have the internet access right now. And here you can sign in into the Google account. So let me do it. Let's enter the existing email or the phone number. Let's tap here next. Now it's time to enter the password. Alright, if you are ready, let's choose here next button. Tap I agree to terms of service and privacy policy. Alright, so here let's leave enable backup device data. Let's tap next. And that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.